Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. If you thought the BMW M2 had already reached its performance peak, hold on to your helmets, because what we're about to show you takes everything you love about the M2 and dials it up to 11. The 2026 BMW M2 CS is finally here. More power, less weight, sharper handling, loaded with carbon fiber. This thing is a full-throttle love letter to BMW's motorsport roots. In today's deep dive, we're breaking down every inch of this beast. From the high-output twin-turbo engine to its aggressive aero, interior tech, track-tuned suspension, and whether this 100K coupe is worth every penny. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with what truly defines a BMW M car, the engine. Under the hood of the 2026 M2 CS is the S58, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six that's no stranger to BMW's performance lineup. But in the CS, this engine has been retuned and unleashed. You're looking at 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. To put that in perspective, that's a full 50 HP more than the standard M2 and even eclipses the M3's base output. All of that is channeled through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. That's been reprogrammed for quicker shifts and tighter response. BMW claims it'll rocket from 0 to 60 mph in 3.7 seconds. But here's the thing. BMW is known for sandbagging those numbers. Independent testing will likely put that closer to 3.5 or even 3.4 seconds. Top speed, an electronically limited 188 mph, that's supercar territory. Of course, raw power means nothing without precision, and that's where the M2 CS pulls. Ahead of the pack, BMW has trimmed 97 pounds off the curb weight compared to the base M2. How? Through the extensive use of carbon fiber on the roof, the hood, the trunk lid, even inside with a carbon center console and lightweight door panels. But the magic doesn't stop at weight savings. The suspension has been retuned with stiffer bushings, revised dampers, and M-specific calibration that sharpens responsiveness and reduces body roll. You also get staggered lightweight forged wheels, 19 inches up front, 20 in the rear, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, which practically glue the car to the pavement. The result? This isn't just a faster M2, it's an M2 that talks to you through every corner, every apex. It's a track day weapon with just enough civility for the street. Visually, the 2026 M2 CS makes its intentions clear. It's bold, aggressive, purposeful. The front features a blacked-out kidney grille unique to the CS, paired with deeper intakes and sculpted lines that slice through the air. At the rear, a fixed carbon fiber ducktail spoiler not only adds aerodynamic downforce, but also nods to icons like the E30 M3 Sport Evolution. Flared fenders give the coupe a squat, muscular stance. And then there's the exclusive paint palette. Frozen, Portimao blue, sapphire black, and we expect Sao Paulo yellow to make a comeback. Every detail screams motorsport. Inside, the M2 CS is a perfect blend of stripped-down performance and modern tech. You're greeted by M-carbon bucket seats, deeply bolstered, Alcantara-wrapped, and stitched with red accents and illuminated CS logos. These aren't just for show. They save weight and lock you in place during high-G turns. The steering wheel is also Alcantara with a red center stripe. And carbon fiber is everywhere. Center console, dashboard trim, even the door pulls. But don't think BMW skimped on tech. You get a curved digital display running BMW operating system 8.5, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, real-time navigation, over-the-air updates, and even an optional head-up display. So whether you're chasing lap times or commuting in style, the M2 CS keeps you connected. Here's the catch, and it's a big one. The 2026 BMW M2 CS starts at $99,775. That's nearly $30,000 more than the base M2. But for that premium, you're getting a car with limited production numbers, upgraded materials, track-ready engineering, and serious collector appeal. Only a small number will be built, and we expect demand to outpace supply. So if you're thinking about grabbing one, act fast. But is it worth it? If you're the kind of driver who values analog feel in a digital world, who wants something more raw and engaging than the larger M3 and M4, the M2 CS delivers. It's not about practicality. It's about passion. And the 2026 BMW M2 CS is one of the most passionate cars BMW has built in years. So what do you think? Is the 2026 M2 CS the ultimate modern BMW coupe, or has it gone too far with the price tag? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more high-performance breakdowns, and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a drop from our channel. Until next time, stay fast, stay focused.